guys. As we all know, guys, Philadelphia fans are among the toughest to impress, but I'm willing to bet these superstars will have them on their feet all match long. Picture-perfect drop kick. John Cena, and now here's Cena. Oh, and breaks the pin and makes the save. Foot to the belly. Double leg takedown. Gonna stack them up here. Shoulder pin. And he breaks the pin right away. Not even close. He answers right back. There's some power behind that punch. Waistlock applied, but their opponent from the opposition. Hits him with the gut-wrench suplex. What impact! Piercing the throat. Reigns' lack of mercy being met in kind there. Oh, my goodness. And he gets directed into the corner. Oh, stuck between the corner and a splash. Now that's what you call impact. Stop to the belly. Big punch finds its mark. Moving him onto the top turnbuckle. From the top. He just got ripped right off the top. Oof. Ooh, what a punch. Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them. And he heads back into the ring. And that's a stiff shot to the body. And his body seems to be the focus of the attack. Great athleticism. I think we know what he's thinking, and it's not going to be nice. He is trying to get up, but it is not going well. He's out. Taking flight. What? From ring post to ringside, risking it all paid off. Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. Then Rhodes. Saving his team from defeat. Oh, vicious, downright. Uh-oh, look at this. Inverted. Oh, big slam. Cody's being covered. This could be it. Oh, tracking the kendo stick across the head. Sharp punch. Precarious position here. Electric chair to the face buster. Returning back to the ring. Big impact from the suplex. Boom! Looking to explore things ringside now. Here we go. Oh, it's going for the victory. And a shoulder is lifted before one. How did he do that? Cody Rhodes, vertebreaker. And Cody didn't see that. Here it comes. Roman Reigns locked and loaded in the corner. Superman punch. Meanwhile, Roman Reigns turning it into a pin for the win. A defiant kick out after one. Still going to take a massive effort to keep them down. We have seen these men unleash a lot of devastating offense. Incredible that this match hasn't ended yet. It might just be a matter of time. This one is close to coming to a head. A deafening cheer from the WWE Universe is reverberating around. Cena. What a spear by Reigns. Reigns got all of it. Cover. We have a cover. Whoa, just in time. I thought this thing was over. The cover. Isn't it? Save just in time. And we have Rhodes. Underhook applied. Side effect. Oh, man. Carrying in a jeopardizing position here. And heading up top. It's their pull around and showing ripcord knee. May have just vanquished Reigns. What a raucous crowd Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
There's some power behind that punch.
Well-executed suplex.
Nice running crossbody.
Cena. Look at this power. Onto his shoulders.
38. Is that all Cena needs?
2. Kick out.
Incredible resiliency.
DDT. Oh. Right to the spine with the knee.
That was vicious. Nice cross body. Here it comes. Special delivery. Attitude adjustment. Can that keep Cena down?
And he's still in the game.
Far too much hustle in John Cena to let it end like that. Never give up, indeed.
A new strategy is needed right about now if that couldn't end things.
The WWE Universe rooting these superstars on.
Pumping the adrenaline they so desperately need right now.
Cody's being covered. This could be it. Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there.
Flying out. Hammer away with punches to the face.
Locks in the gut wrench.
Suplex. Oh, the physicality on display there. Unbelievable.
Cena's looking absolutely powerless.
Oh! He quickly gets out of dodge.
Flying.
Diving hammer strike. He left me Roman Reigns.
Reigns put his stamp on this one.
Cover. Wow, talk about making the save.
Thunderous club comes down. Very effective.
Oh, that had to hurt.
Uh-oh, look at this.
And Butler. Oh, big slam.
Does that finish Rhodes for good?
Back into the ring now.
Waistlock go behind. Oh, with a German suplex. We're not finished yet. Another one. Oh, come on. Enough is enough. He's got his sights locked in now.
Don't do it! Slingshot senton, yes!
What a display of fearlessness we just witnessed.
That's the kind of attitude.
Ripcord from behind.
The ice table. This can't be good.
Nothing but bad intentions in mind, I'm sure.
Oh, not yet. They just got the shoulder up.
The resilience on display.
Reigns has it!
No coming back from Reigns after that. Manages to slip out of the way. Countering each other again and again.
What a shot! Here it comes! Special delivery! The attitude adjustment!
Can Reigns recover from that?
The pin. It's all or nothing time.
What a six-man tag match.
Here are your winners, Peter Parker, Iron Man, and the Captain, Steve Rogers.
Big win for these 3 here tonight. Love them or hate them, you know they did everything they could to earn this win.